Sanibona bafethu. So namhlanje ade kudlala Orlando Pirates versus SuperSport United. Ade bedlala le Old Peter Mokaba Stadium. SuperSport United iyona team ebidlala home la. Yabo Orlando Pirates ke bekuyi away team. Igame iphele ngo 2-2 kwathi sekuyiwa kuma penalty Orlando Pirates yase inqoba leyo game loyo ngo 5-4. Yabo. Ngizoshaya ama positives nama negatives la game le. First and foremost ngizoqala ngendlela Orlando Pirates ayiqale ngakhona igame. Yabo Orlando Pirates indlela ayiqala ngakhona igame was one of the best ways to start igame. Orlando Pirates ade ngayigcina ukuyibona iqala kanje imatch. Yabo indlela iqala ngakhona imatch namhlanje emuva binombokazi minoxoke abadlale kahle. Yebo angifuqa abadlale kahle umbokazi minoxoke. Kuthi lapha ka right sibe nolomfana lo uNdlozi naye futhi odlale kahle. Left wing back kuba uMarco naye yabo ngizokhuluma kodwa ngayo uMarco. Mase kuthi esiswini kuba uMbatha benoMakehleni Makhawula. Kuthi lapha ku number 10 role engijabulisile ukumbona ulumfana lo Mfukeng. Yabo, because most of the times many teams bayayifundile Orlando Pirates ukuthi most of the times lo mfana lo Mfukeng udlala as left wing but ke kule game lo coach uhlakaniphile wambeka as number 10 lapho khona bengekho kumplan lakho bewungakho umplan lakho unembonile uMfukeng namhlanje. Yabo uMfukeng ngijwayele ukumgxeka kakhulu medlala kule position because ake senze lutho but namhlanje mina uMfukeng ujabulisile edlala kule position as number 10 because usicreateile ama chances amaningi ezOrlando Pirates. Mase ukuthi ngaleka left wing bekudlala uHotto obvious uHotto bafethu medlala esi left wing akasinike lutho. Yabo mase ukuthi ka right bekudlala uNkota. Yabo uNkota on and off uzamile umjidi ukuthi asinikeze something. Ngizoqala ngikhulume ngecombination yaxoki benombokazi. Nayi inkinga eshaya uSibisi benoxoki. Iyona inkinga ngizoyithula lento le ndaba le. Abantu abaningi bahlezi bethu uyaboza uSibisi uyaboza uXoki. Yabo leyo combination ayisebenzile. Reason why ingasebenzeli leyo combination is that uXoki benoSibisi they play the same type of football. Yabo none of them between the two of them none of them knows how to ball play. Yabo bawosigugule nje. Mubone kahle namhlanje umsebenzi walamjida lo uXoki ubegugula. Mase kuthi umbokazi relax abamba ibhola ashaya ama pass long ball ethole uNkota kuze ukora uMahope igoli lesibili iqhamuka kulomfana lombokazi. Uyibonile umfana uyakwazi ukukhalma down abheke yabo afunda igame mase shaya ibhola. Yabo akavele nje aqhumuza ibhola isidingo singekho. Leyo nto enzobani uSibisi benoXoki. Yabo umbokazi is a ball playing defender umbonile namhlanje indlela adlala yakhona. Yabo nike nibone bekudlala uSesane benoSibisi icombination yasebenzela bekudlala uXoki benonda icombination yasebenzela. Yabo you cannot play ama defender adlala ngendlela efanayo. Orlando Pirates idlala ibhola emuva. Midlala ibhola emuva awukwazi ukuba khona nama defender ahlulekayo. Yabo ucontrol ibhola emuva okuXoki benoSibisi. So isebenzelile icombination yanda abuyala umfana lo Mbokazi benoXoki. Defendile kakhulu namhlanje umbokazi udlalile namhlanje umbokazi and they deserve man of the match for me. Ube deserve impela umfana man of the match engawuthi aqhubeka kanje. Yabo engawuthi aqhubeka kanje baningi abadlali basazohlala phansi. Baningi abadlali basazodliwa yibench. Yabo mekusakhona abafana abancane kanje thina we don't buy most of the stars, we create ama stars. Yabo we create ama stars. Nangu umbokazi mfethu phamisa isandla mfethu. Phamisa isandla wathi coach I see inkinga lapha kuOrlando Pirates. Yabo defending good defense coach I see a problem. I can fix that problem. And umfana uphamisa isandla ucoach wamuzwa wamfaka khona. Yabo wamfaka khona zishisa impela wamfaka emlilweni umfana wakwazi ukuthi abhukude impela. uNdlozi namhlanje ubemnandi uNdlozi namhlanje ngifuqa amanga yabo ubenza nje ama basics uNdlozi. Benza ama basics uNdlozi for me u defensive for me uNdlozi. uNdlozi u defensive mase siya phambili akekho that offensive if I'm being honest. uNdlozi akekho offensive u defensive uyakwazi ukudefend emuva. So ngamnikeza lo ukuthi at least u defensive yabo. Yabona mase siya kwi side la Marco side la Marco bafetha ngifuqa Marco beku freeway mfethu. Yabona even first half lila side la Marco mfethu beku freeway indlela ade bedlula ngakhona. Nalomfana nje uyangikhohle igama lakhe ade dlala kuleli side la Marco ade nama dreads if I'm not mistaken. Yabo beyidlulela kule la side lana because I don't know bekwenze njani ngoMarco namhlanje because ngijwayele ukumazi mina uMarco ezulomdlalo lo ongadluli kuyena kalula but namhlanje I saw uMarco ehlulwa abadlali. Yabo kumele ayishintshe leyo nto uMarco mfethu ngeke mfethu. Umbatha bemnandi kule game. Umbatha bemnandi kakhulu. I hope le injury ayitholile ayikho that serious. I hope le injury ayitholile namhlanje ayikho that serious because siyamdinga mfethu umjidi. Siyamdinga umjidi ama games esazowadlala. Next week sidlala neMamelodi Sundowns. We need lo mjidi lo. for me bo deserve man of the match kuba uqhubekile wayidlala igame yabo nako ke ethola le injury ayitholile yabo but ke I hope umjidi uzoshesha abuye yabo I hope umjidi uzoshesha abuye was happy ukubona umfukeng edlala so number 10 yabo sengiyichazileke kaMfukeng was happy ukubona edlala le number 10 role leya engawuthi mhlambe angaqhubeka next time akwazi ukuyi-perfect but namhlanje he was very very good at playing that position. First half simosha amathuba amaningi and amosha umdlalo yedwa lo vela kulesithombe lesi evidence Makgopa wamoshile amathuba but at least uscoreile yabo at least uscoreile. Evidence Makgopa is that type of player ngizothini he's more of a center forward than a striker yabo ukwazi ukudlala as number 9 yabo phambili akorakori yabo phambili akorakori yakwazi ukuhold ibhola adlale mfethu iyonto ebuyingixabanise nawo Makgopa because akwazi ukukhahlelela ukeeper yabo akwazi ukukhahlelela ukeeper kanti into kanjalo mfethu asiyidingi lapha phambili yabo asiyidingi but ke naye ungidlalela igame emnandi namhlanje yabo ungidlalela igame emnandi even though ebengakwazi ukukhahlela phambili but ke uscoreile koloqala likore SuperSport ubekhelesi uChina lapha bafethu angifuqama China bekhelesi China ubekhelesi lapha China was very very careless bengamele azaphume bengamele uChina aphume kulela goli noma ungathini kuma comments China bengamele aphume kulela goli ukorele nje uthi kumanje because inet bimbuka yebo sengikhohle ukukhuluma ngegoli lambokazi belilihle kakhulu bafethu belilihle kakhulu igoli lambokazi bengathi igoli lestriker yebo bengathi igoli lestriker ngempela indlela alishaya ngakhona bilifuqiwe yabo kungijabulisile ukumbona umfana omncane escore sithe siya kuma second half second half angifuqa manje bi intense second half bafethu bi intense indlela edlala yakhona I feel like SuperSport United ibisifuna nje uqeda ngathi yabo ibifuna uqeda ngathi SuperSport second half because ilapho khona sibone Umbatha ethole injury yabo ilapho khona sibone khona Umbatha ethole injury second half ila ngibone khona ukuthi cha kahle kahle lo mfana lo Mbukazi ngiyamthemba yabo second half yabo coming to this game bengamthembi Umbukazi ukuthi mfethu yabo ngasilithana but second half awukhombisile umjidi uthi uyadlala khombise ngempela uthi uyadlala umjida mfethu for me bafethu for me I feel like second half Makehleni Makaula wasn't that good yabo Makehleni Makaula second half he wasn't that good maningi amabhola adiwala ahla lapha bekumele ashintshwe na athi uphumuzwa kancane benawo Makgopa bengameli Makgopa azadlala u90 minutes for Makgopa hayi lesiliconsider siphela igame. It was a poor defending. That was a poor defending indlela esiconsider yakhona igoli yamanje leli goli esiliconsider lesipile ngiblame abani ngiblame lo mfana lo uMayela ngiblame bani uXoki mase ngiblame uMako bobathathu lo amdlalo uvele nje waputshuluka wasebhekana nokeeper wasoyekhahlela yabo lapho so consider sekediwe lapho kuna Orlando Pirates kumele ngabe khona ibambile igame because uyazi ibhola melingekho kuwena uyabona isikhathi siyaphela why ungekho switch on maka uyambona umdlalo uza nebhola kuwena kuyibhokisi lakho why ungekho aware ukuthi ayibo lo mdlali angakhahlela and ucoach bengamele aze bafake abadlali bengamele yabona nje labadlali ashintshe ngabo bengamele baze bangena igame nje bemile iphele lapha siyiqede nje igame ngalabadlali siqale ngabo besingekho ngempela isidingo sokuthi kufakwe labadlali lapha but ke we managed to grab iwin but ngokuhamba singekho isidingo sokuthi baze bafakwe kodwa Mosele ungenile akenza ngalutho for me ngizolisho nje iqiniso libe msulu ukuthi Mosele ungenile wenzeni ukuthi Mosele ayikho into ayenzile yabo Sebo Chaini ke uyibonalisile uthi ugoalkeeper singamthemba kuma penalty because ukwazile ukwabamba ama penalty I think ubamba ama penalty awuthi wabamba eKaVincent Pule ngibonge kuPule yabo ukhombisile ukuthi umdlali wePirates ngaphakathi uPule ngibonge lapho usayile siyamazi kusayile ngifuna ukuchaza kakhulu usayile umdlalo ojwayele ukuzenza lezi zinto lezi but ke overall game we started very well but ke indlela esiqede yakhona second half we were very poor yabo abadlali abangenile bavele bayibet igame I feel like ucoach ushawe igame plan no igame plan yakhe be right ya igame plan ya coach approach yakhona igame be right but abadlali ashintshe ngabo yabo kushintsha abadlali bona bayimoshile igame bengamele abashintshe abadlali ngokwami Tito ungenile ngimbonanga usenzeleni yabo kuningi nje ngempela uNdlondlo for uNdlondlo udlale kahle uNdlondlo was good but ke good Mosele was very 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 bad.